Today we're going to be looking at PowerBasic manuals. This manual here is the one I originally purchased for the PowerBasic Windows compiler, back in the days when it was known as the PBDLL compiler. This manual I've had for many years. PowerBasic does ship with a help file, both for the Windows and the console compilers. And these help files are very useful when you're actually coding. But occasionally you may want to go back to a printed manual. And that's what we're going to look at today, is the PowerBasic console compiler manual. This, as you can see, is a larger formatted manual and is over 500 pages. This one is specifically on the console compiler and covers every command that the console compiler can actually do in detail. I find a printed manual particularly useful when I'm looking to see what topic I can cover in the next YouTube video. And these manuals have not been gathering dust in a warehouse somewhere. These are printed on demand by a company called Lulu. I'll put links in the description below to where you can purchase either the console compiler manual or the Windows compiler manual. As these are a large type format, they are easy to read, unlike many modern manuals which have very tiny fonts. And of course, as you would expect, there was an index at the back of the book, listing every command and the page on which it is actually referenced. So for somebody learning PowerBasic, this is an ideal companion. And the advantage between a printed book and a help file is that, of course, you can stick post-its in particular pages when you want to reference something you're studying at the moment. As I said, the Lulu company prints these on demand, and this arrived in a mere 5 days. A brand new manual. So far, I've only purchased the console compiler manual, and I'll be putting an order in for the Windows compiler manual very shortly. I'm sure you will find these manuals very useful in your PowerBasic coding. However, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.